Hi, I'm Abraham. This is my 3D UI assignment 3. So as you can see here, I decided to go for a wandless approach and just use UI here with buttons. And the reason for that is because I felt like this was more comfortable and more stable. You don't have to move your thumbs anywhere and you can reach all the buttons. And that way you just are able to move it. You can focus on moving things more accurately instead of having a wand here that you have to move things around with. So I can show you, let's start with some translation. I choose this Pegasus and translate it here. And basically what it does is it locks the camera onto whatever your object is selected, and you move it until it's deselected. And you can deselect by either pressing the button again, pressing a separate button, which would begin a different mode of translation or transformation, or you can press outside. And then here's the reset button. We just reset everything. So as you can see, well, it might be a little bit tough to see, but there's some text in the top that shows you when you've selected what and what action has been taken. So now we begin rotating it, and we see now that it's rotating pretty nicely. The rotation is done by moving left, if you see, and the model will follow it and move left. And if you rotate, if you move forward or zoom in, it'll act like it sort of is pushing the model away from you. And I felt like those were the two most intuitive ways to rotate an object without like locking onto it, which I felt was kind of inefficient because then you'd have to move all the way around the object. So here we see rotation, and reset again. Now we scale it, and we'll see that if we go back down, that it is indeed larger than it was before. And now we can shrink it. The scaling factor was chosen so that it doesn't fully occlude the screen at any point. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it.